when we will calculate total number of tread for total staircase, in that case 20 minus 1. Okay. In that case, we have to assume landing also as a tread. Staircase calculation in detail. So before I start, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will be the first to know when I upload something new. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for latest updates. Now let's get started. So this staircase I have already created in my previous video, which link is given in the description box. That is the floor plan in which I have created this staircase. Here I will calculate the detail rise, number of tread, total tread, all detail I will calculate here. So here building height 10 feet, length of staircase 10 feet 6 inch. Here this is the length of staircase here to here 10 feet 6 inch. Landing 3 feet. This is the landing here to here. This is landing 3 feet. Desired rise. Rise 6 inch. We are taking it 6 inch. Here, this is the vertical line. This is rise. And the horizontal line, it is tread. So tread, we have to, length of one tread, we have to calculate it. Okay. So here, see, this is the horizontal line. That means between two lines. Here you can see, this is the space between two lines. So this is the tread and these are the rise. Okay. This is rise, means here this line, these lines are riser, and this is tread, means this space tread. Okay. So first we have to calculate total number of rise. Total number of rise, its formula is height of building divided by desired rise. Height of building 10 feet and desired rise 6 inch. So height of building 10 feet divided by 6 inch, we are getting 20 numbers of riser. So total number of rise, 20 numbers means this is total number of rise. Okay. We will see rise means this line. So we will count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 numbers of riser for total staircase. Okay. 20 numbers. Now, number of flight, 2 numbers. In this staircase, you can see we have 2 numbers of flights. This is one flight. This is another flight. Number of flight, 2 numbers. So, number of rise for one flight, total number of rise divided by 2. So, number of rise for, so total number of rise we have calculated 20 numbers. Now, number of rise for one flight. For this single flight and this single flight, number of rise, that is total rise divided by 2. That will be 20 divided by 2. It's 10 numbers. See, when we are calculating for total number of rise, that is 20 numbers. Okay. Now we are calculating number of rise for one flight. One flight means here to here. We are not taking landing. Landing itself is a tread. We are considering landing as a tread. So we are not taking landing here. One flight means here to here. So in this case, number of rise for one flight, 10 numbers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This side also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, number of rise for one flight, 10 numbers. Now, number of treads for one flight, number of rise for one flight, we have calculated 10 numbers. Number of treads for one flight, number of rise in one flight minus 1. number of rise in one flight, because we are calculating number of trades for one flight. So number of rise in one flight, we have calculated 10 numbers minus 1. That is 9 numbers. See, trade means this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers. I will tell you one more thing. When now we are calculating number of trades for one flight. So number of trade for one flight, 9 numbers. This side also 9 numbers, this side also 9 numbers. So when we are calculating total number of rise, 20 numbers. If we will calculate total number of rise for total number of trade for total staircase, that will be total number of rise minus 1 means 20 minus 1. 20 means total number of rise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This side 10, 20. 20 minus 1. You will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Trade also will consider one more. Landing also will consider as one trade. Okay. So when we are calculating for total number of trade for staircase, total staircase, we have to consider this landing also one trade. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 20 minus 1, it will be 19 number of trades. But when we are calculating for number of trades for one flight, we have to take from here to here. That will be 9 numbers. When we will calculate total number of trades for total staircase, in that case, 20 minus 1. Okay. In that case, we have to assume landing also as a trade. So most of the students get confused with this. Like when we are calculating for total number of trade for the total staircase, why we are getting 19, but when we are calculating number of trade for one flight, how it's coming 9 number. So this is due to the landing. I hope you understood. Okay. So we got number of trades for one flight, 9 numbers of trades, and number of rise for one flight, 10 numbers. Now total trade in one flight. Total trade means here to here. That is length of staircase. Length of staircase means here to here. Total length of staircase minus landing. Landing means here to here. So length of staircase 10 feet 6 inch here, 10 feet 6 inch minus landing 3 feet. We are getting 7 feet 6 inch. This is total trade in one flight. Total trade means here to here. Now length of one trade. Length of one trade means here to here, this distance. Trade length. This length, here to here. Here to here. This length. Length of one trade. That is total trade in one flight divided by number of trades for one flight. Total trade in one flight means here to here divided by number of trades for one flight. Number of trades, we have calculated 9 numbers. Total trade in one flight 7 feet 6 inch. So 7 feet 6 inch divided by 9, we are getting 10 inch. So 10 inch is length of one trade. So we are getting this trade now. This trade is 10 inch. Okay. So desired rise 6 inch. We have assumed this. This usually we take and trade 10 inch. Okay. Total length of staircase for one flight 10 feet 6 inch. Building height 10 feet. Landing 3 feet. Desired rise 6 inch. Trade 10 inch. This we have calculated trade 10 inch. Total number of rise 20 numbers. We have calculated. Number of rise for one flight 10 numbers. Number of trade for one flight 9 numbers. And total trade in one flight 7 feet 6 inch. So these are the detailed calculation. So I hope you understood. how to calculate total number of rice, trade, and all details in the staircase. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching the video.